Hey guys! So if you've read the directions, you'll see that you need something to write with. Paper and pencil, your whiteboard, crayons are fine. So if you need to pause the video to go grab that, go ahead and do so. If you've already got it, then we're ready to roll. So yesterday we talked about arrays and multiplication. And remember, one of the most very important things to talk about is rows and columns, because rows and columns are how you make arrays, okay? And they're also how you're going to write your multiplication and repeated addition problems that go along with it. So let's review that really quickly. Let's say that I have this for an array. Okay, I want to write a repeated addition problem and a multiplication problem. Let's start with repeated addition. What do? How do I even begin? Well, the first thing that I need to do is count how many rows I have. Which way do rows go? Side to side. Because the number of rows I have will tell me how many blanks I need. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 rows, which means I need 3 blanks. Okay, and then my answer. What number do I put in each one of those blanks? I can count my columns, or I can just count how many are in each row. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write 4 in each one of those blanks. You can think of it as 3 groups of 4. Do you remember that from the first lesson? So here's a group of 4. Here's a group of 4. Here's a group of 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, what's my answer? Well, you can count the dots to figure it out. You can count by groups of 4, or you can count by groups of 3. I'm going to count how many dots there are total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. Okay, what if I want to write a multiplication fact? Now what? I know my multiplication fact is going to be set up like this, okay? How do I figure out my first number? Right, I count my rows again. See why it's so important to know rows go side to side, columns go up and down. So how many rows do I have? 3. So my first blank is a 3. How many are in each row? 4. My second number is 4. So my multiplication fact says 3 times 4 equals, and I already counted, I know, it's 12. Okay? Is this jogging your memory? Are you remembering this from yesterday? Okay, I hope so. So what we're going to do now, and the reason that you needed paper and pencil, is because we are going to practice some of these. I'm going to give you an array on the board, and then you have to give me the repeated addition and the multiplication fact at home. Okay? Let's get started. All right, here's our first one. All right, here's the array. Go ahead and pause the video while you write the repeated addition and the multiplication sentence. When you're ready and you have it written, hit play and I'll go over it with you. Okay, welcome back. Hopefully you figured all of that out. So let's do a repeated addition first. Oops. Okay, in order to figure out how many blanks I need, hopefully you counted your rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops. Okay, so that's setting it up. 4 rows, 4 blanks. What number did you write in each blank? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. What did it equal? Hopefully you wrote 20. Okay, and we can count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Or you could just count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. All right, did you get that one right? let's see if you got the multiplication fact. How do I figure out what my first blank is? Right, again, how many rows do I have? I have 4. How many are in each row? 5. And we already counted. What's 4 times 5? How many circles are there total? 20. So your repeated addition was 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. Your multiplication should have been 4 times 5 equals 20. Hopefully you got it. Let's try another one. All right. Hang on. Okay, go ahead and pause the video to figure it out. Hit play when you're ready to go review. Welcome back. Do you think this one was easier or tougher than the first one? Hopefully they're getting easier as we go. Okay, let's review. Repeated addition. How do I even get started? Right, I count how many rows, because that will tell me how many blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I needed 6 blanks. All right, what number did I write on each one of those blanks? 1, 2, 3. 3. Okay, so my repeated addition problem was 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. What did it equal? We could count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So hopefully your repeated addition facts look like that. What about multiplication? What did your multiplication fact look like? All right, my first blank, what's it gonna be? How many rows do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are in each row for my second blank? 1, 2, 3. And again, my answer won't change because we already counted for our repeated addition. 6 times 3 equals 18. All right, we're gonna try 2 more. Hopefully you guys are feeling like you're getting this. All right. For Valentine's Day. All right, pause the video, write your repeated addition and your multiplication, and then come back and we'll review. Welcome back. All right, what did you do for your repeated addition? Okay, well, how many rows do I have? 1, 2, 3. So 3 blanks. Okay, how many are in each row? 1, 2, 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. What's it equal? 9. Okay, what about your multiplication fact? Sometimes when we have a problem like this, kids tend to get a little bit confused, and I can see it. So hopefully, our first blank, how many rows do I have? 2, 3. How many are in each row? Still 3. So this is a doubles fact, okay? 3 times 3 doesn't change my answer. It's still 9. All right, give me a thumbs up if that's what you got. Good. All right, we're gonna try one more, and then hopefully by that time you'll be like, whew, I am an array expert. Whoops, sorry. Okay, pause the video, figure it out, hit play when you're ready. Okay, let's go over this. For repeated addition, I need to figure out how many rows do I have to tell me my blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then what am I going to write in each one of those blanks? How many are in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. What does it equal? 20. Okay, how about my multiplication fact? What did you write? Okay, my first blank needs to be how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times 4 still equals 20. Hey, did you notice we did this similar problem just a couple times ago? Except we did the commutative property fact. We did 4 times 5 earlier. Okay, I hope that gives you some extra practice. And what you're going to do now is head down to the puzzle piece and complete that.